Hey everyone, it's Amy from Donaldson, and this is Filtration in the Field. Today, I'm on my family farm and harvest season is right around the corner. So, before you head into the field, here are 3 tips to make sure your equipment is in top shape. First, always follow your equipment manufacturer's recommendations for filter replacements. Just because your filter looks dirty doesn't mean it's not doing its job and needs to be replaced. And no, don't try to clean them. Cleaning can actually damage your filter and make it easier for contaminants to get into your equipment. Don't reuse your filters, replace them. Next, we need to consider the fuel coming out of your bulk tank. If your tank is dirty, and let's be honest, most are, your fuel may be dirty too. Having a good filter and breather on your tank is your best defense against water and other contaminants in your fuel. And when you're filling up daily, clean fuel will go a long way in protecting your pumps and injectors, keeping your equipment running smoothly. Finally, check the vacuator valve on your combine's air cleaner. If it's missing or damaged, replace it right away. This little part helps keep your air intake system running at its best and actually extends the life of your air filter. There's no way to prepare for everything harvest will throw your way, but regular maintenance will help prevent a lot of performance issues. On behalf of Donaldson, we wish you a successful harvest season. And remember, Donaldson delivers OEM grade filters to help keep your equipment running smoothly, because if it needs filtration, it needs Donaldson.